If you're over 60, there's something happening quietly inside your body every single week. Your leg muscles are getting weaker and you might not even notice it. But here's the good news, you can reverse it. You can strengthen your legs and improve your balance with just 3 simple exercises you can do right at home, with no equipment needed. Stay with me until the end, because the third exercise is an absolute game changer for seniors. After age 60, we naturally start to lose muscle mass. This process is called sarcopenia. So what does that really mean for you? It means standing up for long periods becomes harder. Walking can feel slower and more difficult. Even simple things like getting up from a chair can become painful. Your balance gets worse, which unfortunately increases your risk of falls. But here is the most important truth. This condition is 100% reversible with the right movements. It's not about intense, heavy workouts. It's about smart, consistent exercises that reactivate those muscles. Let's start with our first exercise, the chair stand. This is a fantastic movement because it strengthens your thighs, your hips, and your core, all the most important muscles for stability and mobility. Here's how you do it. First, sit on the edge of a sturdy chair. Make sure your feet are flat on the floor, about hip-width apart. Now, cross your arms over your chest or keep them at your sides, but try not to use your hands. Slowly stand up, pushing through your heels until you are fully upright. Then, just as slowly, sit back down with control. Don't just plop down. Repeat this 10 to 12 times. The benefits are huge. It improves your balance, strengthens your legs, and is a key exercise in preventing falls. Here is a little challenge for you. If you can do 10 of these chair stands in a row without using your hands, your legs are much stronger than the average person your age. Next up, we have the wall squat hold. This is one of the absolute best exercises to rebuild leg power and endurance. Find a clear wall space to begin. Stand with your back flat against the wall and your feet about shoulder width apart, a foot or 2 away from the wall. Now slowly slide your back down the wall until your knees are bent, almost like you're sitting in an invisible chair. Don't go too low, a slight bend is perfect to start. Hold this position for 10 to 20 seconds. You'll feel your thigh muscles working. After the hold, slowly slide back up to a standing position and rest for a moment. Repeat this 3 times. This exercise is incredible for strengthening your thighs, boosting your stamina, and tightening your core. That burning sensation you feel in your legs? That's your muscles waking up again and getting stronger. Finally, we have the heel-to-toe walk. This simple movement directly addresses the #1 problem for many seniors: poor balance. All you need is a clear, straight path, like a hallway. Stand up straight and place the heel of one foot directly in front of the toes of your other foot, so they're touching or almost touching. Now, take a step forward with your back foot, again placing your heel right in front of the toes of the other foot. Continue walking slowly in a straight line for about 20 steps. You can keep your arms out to the side to help with balance. This exercise is a powerhouse. It directly fixes balance issues, strengthens your ankle muscles, and has been shown to reduce the risk of falls by over 50%. It also improves your walking posture, making you feel more confident on your feet. If you do just this one exercise every day, I promise your legs will feel younger and steadier within a week. So how often should you do these exercises for the best results? It's simple. Try to do this routine 5 days a week. The whole thing will only take you about 8 to 10 minutes a day. That's a tiny investment of time for a massive return in your health and independence. Remember, your legs are your freedom. Stronger legs mean better balance, better mobility, and ultimately, a better quality of life. If you are over 60, please don't skip these exercises. They can truly change your daily life. Share this video with a senior you love. And before you go, tell me in the comments, which exercise helped you the most? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video for more senior health tips.